Okay, today we are going to continue to finish this RC engine. So right now we are going to assemble and then create some of the parts which left over, and then we also want to insert the piston and then assemble in here. Okay, let's get started. As we can see that we have so many parts in here, which is we are going to take an assembly. But before that, make sure that this crankcase have the pin on it. So this one is basically is grounded component, and then I would like to organize all this three here. So in order to make easier to organize, so I create a group. This one I will rename. So this one basically you just rename and group all the in the timeline down below to make it more organized, and then make it more accessible when we want to edit a feature in the future. And then yeah, okay, from here to here is a cylinder head. Okay, we done all the rename, and then we continue. So because of this part, this crankcase is we put a pin on it, so we cannot move. But for the sleeve here, if you drag it, it will move over there. And then if you want to put it back, you just click revert. Or this one, like see, these all the component we haven't assembled over there. So we would like to make the S-build joint. So I will create the S-build joint, and then I select the component here and here. So this time is a rigid. Okay, so after I doing the assemble, we did the S-build, so it cannot be moved. And then I will continue S-build join this one and this one. Okay, and also S-build join this one with this one. Okay, and then also the inside assemble S-build join this one and this one. Okay, so all is done for the assemble, and then I'm going to open the piston. But before that, I would like to assemble this one. I use the join command, and then I select the motion type is a revolute, because it's basically this just can be revolve upon this sleeve. Okay, like that. But if you looks that is not appropriate, so you can flip. Okay, and you can click the animate to show how it's doing. Okay, and then I click OK. So it's over there, this crankshaft, and then we continue with the connecting rod over there. So I like to assemble this connecting rod, create a join, join, and then some have been moved. Okay, capture position, and then I'm going to use this cylindrical, because basically this type to put it here is we can slide over there and then we can rotate. So I choose the midpoint of the cylinder. To select it, I just move over my mouse here, and then I press the control key to select between these 3 points, and then I will choose the center one, okay, as the reference point, and also yeah, that one. Okay, and then I will do the flip over there, so it will be, yeah, maybe it's like slide over there as the animation shows the movement. Okay, is okay. And then I will bring up the piston. This is the piston that I previously created, but I want to make this name a join origin, because basically I just want to, if you select with the join assemble, okay, it cannot, because there is no reference in the midpoint of this one. So I create a axis here through cylinder, okay, and then I also, if you see that there is a origin, so I would like to create the point on okay, through point edge and plane. Okay, I just select this one and then this one, so they will create a point between this center line with this plane. Okay, I turn off, and then I also turn off the axis, and then I create the join origin to here. Okay, just click there, and then I have to rotate this join, reorient, and then which one is the z-axis? The z-axis, this one is no, I think this one is the z-axis. Okay, so I need to reorient the join origin. Okay, and then as I finish, I click OK, so that face, the smile face, is perpendicular to this axis of the cylinder. And then I click save to make sure these changes are saved. And then from this one, I open up my piston and then right click from here. Okay, right click and then insert into current design. So it's basically just inserting that piston into the current design. See, there is a piston over there, we insert, but there is a icon, is a chain, is indicate that this piston is linked to this file. Okay, and then I just click OK, and then I create a join assemble with the cylindrical as well. I put it from here, this cylinder, to the sleeve over there. Okay, to the sleeve. Okay, to the, which one is, okay, to the sleeve. So basically they can move like that. Just click OK. I still can move it, but I would like to join this piston rod with the cylinder, with the piston. So I create a join once again. Make sure use the control to select the center, and then I just click the join origin. Okay, but it seems that this one is not, oh yeah, this one is at the correct orientation, so I just click OK. So basically, if we see here, if I put the cylinder fin in opacity, okay, and then the cylinder sleeve, I put the opacity. Okay, I click right click and then put all the opacity, and then if I move it, the piston, okay, the crankshaft rotating, so it will rotate and move according to this position. But this one also can move because the joint type here, I use the cylindrical. If I put it in the revolute, okay, so this one, it will be result conflict. Oh no, okay, yeah, because of this I wanted to put in the center. So if we give this one is transparent as well, so we can see that, okay, yeah, we can see that this particular cylinder is at the center of this one. Okay, okay, now we are continue to create the piston pin over there. I like to turn off the sleeve, cylinder head and cylinder fin, and also the crankcase, so to get a better clearer. And then I create a new component. Okay, I create a new component, and then we say piston pin. Okay, let's create a new component over there, and then I create a sketch, which is I like to do the sketch in this particular face here. Okay, yeah, okay, that one. So I create a capture position, and then I just project this cylinder, which is the inner diameter of the cylinder here. Okay, that one. Okay, and then I just finish cut and then extrude this profile, okay, to the two sides, and then I just drag this one maybe from here. Okay, I think 7 will be good, and then to the over there, and 15 will be, no, I think 14.5. okay, 0.8 probably. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's the same. Yeah, okay, I think it looks like the same. And then I just click OK for the new body, so it will create this kind of the. And then if I like to put the chamfer over here, and then also over there 0.5, okay, no, maybe 0.25, it's a good choice. Okay, okay, yeah, I think it's a finish for the piston pin. It's very easy and quick to create within the assembly, so we don't have to create all this assembly together. And then, as remember, I also want to, so I think this one is not necessary, so I will delete the positioner, and then I just want to make this one as a group, so to easier. Piston pin. Okay, okay, and then the last one, I would like to show how to create this bolted connection for this one. Okay, we continue to create the bolted connection between these fins and cylinder head. Okay, first of all, I would like to measure how much the length of this bolted connection. So maybe I will create with our close, create the opacity maybe 18%, and then this one, this cylinder head is 18%, and also the crankcase I will make it 100%. Okay, so still confusing, so maybe 100%, this fin also 100%. Okay, I will measure this here to the position here, so it's 10, and then this one from here to the inside of the diameter. Okay, that one. So from here to the, I hold it, yeah, it's that one. So it's a 31 and 10. So I will search for the bolt. So this one also have a diameter 2.5. okay, I will insert the McMaster car, and then I choose the screw and bolt, and then I use the metric, and then socket head, and then I use a M3.5, and then I use the 10 for the length. Okay, and then yeah, we use this one metric. Okay, standard. Okay, head diameter using this one. Okay, and then there is a product detail over there, and from here you can select the 3D step and click save. Okay, they will automatically go inside the fusion, and then I just click OK, and then I do the assemble using the rigid because it's a bolted connection. So remember to put the, press the control, click that one, and then I do want to put it over there. Okay, and then I flip. Yeah, make sure it's at the right position. Okay, yeah, okay, then I just click OK. And for the other instances, I just create the component using the circle pattern for this component. Okay, make sure choose the component, and then the object is already select the axis. Maybe I use this one is the axis, and then the quantity is 3. Okay, and I would like to insert one more time. Okay, screw and bolt, metric, and then socket head 3.5. Oh, it seems that the length is 25. Okay, and the material steel is okay, and then head diameter, product detail. Okay, I choose the 3D step, then I save. Okay, just click OK, and then continue with the join. Yeah, that one to this one. Okay, I flip. Okay, it seems that this particular bolt cannot reach. Maybe it's not a standard, so I will click cancel. And okay, because of this one is not suitable for, so I just delete. Okay, delete that one, and I reinsert. I look another type of the screw head, socket head, and then alloy. Okay, this time I choose the fully partially threaded. Okay, and then use the metric. I use M3. Now this one, there is a length which is suitable, is the 30. Okay, and then the head diameter is a bit larger. Okay, the black one. Okay, product detail, and then I save. Okay, finish. Okay, now I insert this one, that one, to the head over here. Just flip. Yeah, okay, looks like now is a good correct length, but it's a little bit downsize, which is M3. We can change the size of the hole. Is not necessarily important, we just can review, and then I will continue with the pattern, circle pattern. So basically just the component, this is the component, and then this is the axis. Number of instant is 3. Okay, it's finished. Yeah, I think it's this one is a correct size, so it's not necessary to edit. Okay, now we are continue to the last part, which is, so prior to the last part, I like to open up this one, the drive washer. Okay, wait, spinner, drive washer. Okay, drive washer should be put over there. It's just quick and easy. Just put this one to that one. Okay, and then flip it up. Okay, and then there should be a drive washer. Okay, I put the opacity to the 30%, and then we would like to have this, the spinner. Okay, over there. Before I put the spinner, I like to address this propeller blade, and then I would like to address to create this propeller into the another video, because this propeller is, I think, is quite special of this creation, how to create the propeller. Okay, we continue to the part here, which is the back cover, but this time I don't want to create this back cover because the workflow you already know. But this one, in this time, if the scenario is if I already have this part which is come from another file, how we can extract this component and then put it inside into the another assembly. So first of all, I would like to, this one, this is the component, back plate. So I just click, right click, and then this one, there is a export. I put it the back plate, and then make sure this is the Fusion file, and also save to project in the cloud. And I don't want to put in my computer. If you like to put in your computer, you just click save to the computer, but this time I just want to create in the cloud, so I just click export. Okay, and then I open up this engine, and I see there is a back plate which is now they are creating. So I click insert into current design, just as easy as like that. Okay, then I just click OK. I like the, should be that one with the over here flip. Okay, and then make sure this one is 90 degrees rotation. Okay, so that one is finally extracted from the other part or other file. Okay, now we are continue to insert the propeller here. I already have this propeller part. Okay, right click, insert into the current design. Okay, just click OK. Then I just put this propeller, okay, that one, to the, just click continue, this one to the shaft over here, that one. Okay, just click OK, and then I also continue with the spinner here. Okay, I'll just cut. Okay, capture position, and then this face here, the center point to this propeller here to the center. Okay, put it rigid. Okay, and then yeah, this one is already finished, and this crankcase I put the opacity to 100%. Okay, right now we are going to evaluate this propeller. So if we drag this, as you can see, there something moving inside, but we cannot see. So okay, if I like to create a section for this inspection, I just click the section analysis, and then I select the face. Maybe this one is the face, and then I can drag this one to the particular position that I wanted. Then I just click OK, and then if you can see here, there is a crankshaft over here. So if you like to do the animation, you just simply click the join. Okay, that one, that is the join, and then right click, we can animate the model. Okay, so it will show us the animation of this moving object. Okay, and you can hit escape to end the animation. Okay, and this one is for the reverb. If you like to turn off the section analysis, just turn off the section analysis. Okay, and also if I would like to create the animation, oh sorry, this one should be here. Okay, there's a motion study here. So basically motion study is we can control moreover for this this one is the, okay, I think number 5 here. Right now the value is 131, and then we just, let's say we create a point over there, so maybe the degree will be 100. Okay, and then the point over there, maybe the degree is 70. Okay, and then that point is 50, and then that point maybe 10, or on here maybe minus 20, and here minus 50, and then here is 80, and then through here minus 100, and then here and send it in 10, and the last one is minus 13. Okay, so back to the original. So, and if you put this into the playing loop and then you just play, so they basically also have the assembly and it will be animated, but this time we can control the speed. Okay, and also we can control the loop, or maybe you just move like this back and forth, and also just one direction. Okay, I think all of this tutorial for this session, the entire process is done, and then please make sure you leave a comment, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and then see you to another tutorial. Bye bye.